Most people are coming into autonomy not having done a whole lot of self-learning successfully. Some come in and they've just got a track record of win, 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 win. I did this, I took that, I applied this, I bought this, I invested in this, I made it pay off here. You want to build that type of momentum, this is the place to start. Autonomy, your roadmap to ethical business, freelance freedom, entrepreneur expertise, executive excellence, and a lifestyle of liberty. It's not just a theory. Autonomy is a practical step-by-step program. It's a system that delivers a proven result with over 1,000 students who started in your position before their first season of breakthrough actions. They had the same questions. They're like, oh, this is expensive. This is a big gut check. Am I going to show up for this? Am I actually going to apply this? Have I done this before? Can I get past my fears? Can I just judge this on the opportunity that it is without bringing my baggage from the past? There's a lot of people have to work through, and that's why we give you a process. There's not just a button to click. There's like, oh, you learn about it, and then you get informed with the primer course, and then you talk to a graduate. Now you've got your questions answered. Now you can make an informed consent, transparent decision where the expectations are aligned with the outcomes. Now you can fruitfully engage on a path and manifest your own destiny, write your own script in life, learn how to be captain of your own ship. Because in this course, people learn how to do things like identify and launch ethical business ideas and keep them afloat. Mastering freelance fundamentals. What skills in the area of work do you need to be proficient at? Building a supportive network of like-minded peers. I've dealt with a variety of fears over the years by facilitating a growth mindset and an anti-fragile mentality. I've learned from mistakes that you haven't even conceived of yet. Now, I can't do it for you, but I can share the resources, the methods, the tools, and inspiration for you to learn how to do it for yourself. And it really is worth learning how to do for yourself because it's a lifelong beneficial skill. It's evergreen. It's never going to tarnish. You're always going to use this. If you're interested in learning more, I host a podcast every Sunday night. We analyze the week's news and help you have non-contradictory views you actually understand, but you've got to come along for the ride and process the news with us so you have that understanding. I also teach adults twice a year in a 12-week course called Autonomy that is aimed at resolving all the problems I just pointed out with the school system and the irrational fears and the replacement of the rites of passage and the methods you need to have a skeleton key in life and a Swiss Army knife so you can have the tools and the access to do whatever you need to do in this world to bring your goals, to bring your dreams and map them to a truthful reality. It is a simple process, but it is not for those who cling to their irrational fears. So I hope if we have lowered the barrier to entry today, if you see a future you that is more realistic and in detail and something you want to strive toward, I recommend you go to getautonomy.info. Check out the offer as far as what we do for people. I want you to know it applies to you. You can learn it. I can teach it. So I want to thank you all for your time and attention. Peace. Who's going to be first off the mute this morning?
I'm glad that I have this course now more than ever. Having a community of people to discuss how to be empowered and autonomous is really necessary and also therapeutic. I'm this much scared about the virus and a lot scared of what's coming down the pipe as a result.
All right, so first off, we're going to get you away from that fear and that stress that I'm sensing. And I want to get you into the practicality of exercising the conversations you're going to need to have.
Have you found that your skills aren't matching up with the challenges ahead? Here are 19 essential skills for success that school never taught you. Get your free copy by following the link below or visit getautonomy.info/19skills.